Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about some MCQs related with the GATE and some competitive examinations. These MCQs will be based on electrostatics and capacitors. Part 1. I have developed Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and Part 4. This is only for your test how to solve such type of MCQs. Okay. So I'm going to talk about this. These are the basic theoretical questions. Question number 1, the unit of electric flux density, right? Now see here, if you talk about the flux density, electric flux density, so it is a coulombs and coulombs per meter square. These are the two related. This is related with the magnetic circuit. This is related with the electric circuit. So density means it is if you talk about the magnetic flux density, it is Weber per meter square. Electric flux density, it is coulombs per meter square. फ्लक्स अपॉन एरिया, फ्लक्स मतलब चार्जेस जिसकी यूनिट क्या कूलम्स पर मीटर स्क्वायर, राइट? विच मीडियम हैज लीस्ट डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ? एयर. आंसर इज एयर. Dielectric strength of a medium is usually expressed in, if you talk about the dielectric strength, किसमें करते हैं? किलोवोल्ट पर mm और किलोवोल्ट पर सेंटीमीटर. So it is kilovolt per mm. That is the answer. Okay. Okay. Question number 4, sorry. Relative permittivity of vacuum. You know, epsilon 0. Relative permittivity of vacuum is 1. Because permittivity of vacuum is 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Relative is 1. It is answer C. Question number 5. When the relative permittivity of the material is increased, the capacitance between the two plates placed at a given distance apart. Now you know C equal to what? Epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D, distance. So when the relative permittivity of material is increased, if relative permittivity epsilon R is increased, what about the C? C will also be increased with the same proportion, right now? So A, answer is A. Okay. Question number 6. Two capacitors in parallel give equivalent capacitance of 20 microfarad when in series, and when series give equivalent capacitance of 3.75 microfarad. Then the two capacitors are. So please, such type of problem you can solve directly from the answer. अभी अगर पैरेलल में है तो क्या होगा? 4 + 16 20, 5 + 15 20, 10 + 10 20, 11 + 9 20. All are correct. Clear? सम दोनों का सम कितना होना चाहिए? 20. दैट इज इन पैरेलल. बट कैपेसिटेंस इन सीरीज, सो क्या हो जाएगा? क्लियर ना? सो ये पहला आंसर 4 × 16 64 अपॉन 20 C1. C इक्वल टू पैरेलल में क्या होता है? C1 सॉरी सीरीज में कैपेसिटर साइन सीरीज C1 C2 प्लस C1 प्लस C2. दिस इज द फार्मूला. अभी सपोज करो 4 × 16 4 × 16 कितना हो जाएगा? 64 अपॉन 20 3.2 हो जाएगा. इट इज 3.75. ये करते देखते हैं. 5 × 15 75 अपॉन 5 + 15 20. 75 अपॉन 20 क्या होगा? इट इज 3.75. right ना? So this is the correct answer, B. 5 and 15. So such type of problem. 10 in 10 क्या क्या होगा? 10 × 10 100 upon 10 + 10 20. 5 आना चाहिए. अगर ये 5 होता तो this is the answer. Clear ना? So in this way we can solve the problem. So such type of problem you can solve from the options. right? Okay. Question number 7. For any medium, dielectric electric flux density D is related to electric field intensity. D is proportional to E. Correct है, but इसमें epsilon r नहीं है. D is proportional to E. This is not correct. Yes, this is C. D is proportional to E and D equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r E. In magnetic circuit, B flux density B equal to mu 0 mu r H. Similarly, D equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r E. That is the correct answer, C. Okay. Now, is not a factor affecting the dielectric strength. कौन सा factor affect नहीं करता? Temperature. Yes, temperature will affect the dielectric strength. Moisture, yes, it will affect the dielectric strength. कौन सा factor affect नहीं करेगा वो पूछ रहा है. Size and shape of the plate, it will affect क्योंकि C change हो जाएगा. Insulation resistance, yes, that is the answer. Insulation resistance will not affect the factor, will not affect the dielectric strength. That is the correct answer, D. Right? Dielectric strength is measured in kV per centimeter, right? That is the answer. kV per centimeter, kV per millimeter, right? So kV per centimeter, that is the dielectric strength is measured in this, right? Next, 10. Two capacitors A and B. Two capacitors A and B. A and B are connected in series across a 100-volt supply. The potential difference across them is found to be 60 volt and 40 volt. So, okay. So, these two capacitors in series, right, it is 100 volt, supply voltage is 100 and the potential difference across them is found to be 60 volt. इसके across 60 है और इसके across 40. If these two are in series, Q will be same. So what is the Q? You will get Q equal to CV. C equal to क्या आएगा? C1, C2, because they are in series, so C1 plus C2 equal to कितना दिया है? Q equal to CV. Clear ना? And इसके क्रॉस वोल्टेज है तो Q will be same है ना. तो Q अगर this is Q equal to what? Q equal to what? CV. तो 40 C है इसका क्रॉस C2. 40 into C2. You know C2 equal to, clear, this equal to this. So this will be cancelled. Okay, and if you solve it, one more, okay, a capacitor of 2 microfarad is now connected in parallel with A. So one more case is given here. This is C2, this is C1, clear now? A capacitor of 2 microfarad is now connected in parallel with A. This is given, कितना दिया है? 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad is given, right? Okay. So this result in rise of potential across B to 20 volt. Something is wrong here actually. I'm not going to get it. rise of potential across B to 20 volt. Actually, already it is 40 volt. So how the voltage will be rise across 20 volt? Maybe something is wrong. What is the capacitance of A? So from here, यहाँ का voltage अभी अगर ये 20 मान लो 20 मान लें इधर, so obviously it is 80 volt because total voltage is 100. So on the basis of this, Q1 you will get from here, Q2, Q यहाँ का Q मिल जाएगा, Q कितना आएगा, what is the Q here? Q here equal to what? Q equal to CV. So 80 into 2. Q say A. I am assuming this is QA. So Q equal to 80 into 2. 160 micro coulomb, or C1 equal to Q equal to CV. So 80 C1. Now QA plus this, sorry, it is not a Q1. So Q1 plus QA equal to यहाँ से करंट जा रहा है, right ना, sorry, चार्ज, Q this plus this equal to 20 C2. Clear? On the basis of you can solve it, but it is really difficult to solve the problem. Okay, so it will take some time. I'll discuss this question later on. Okay, but answer is, this is the answer is 0.16 microfarad. Please try to get it. Based on these equations, you will get the answer. It is 0.16 microfarad. The electrical lines of force always enters or leaves a conducting surface. Electrical lines of force always enters or leaves a conducting surface at एक करंट मान लो इलेक्ट्रिकल लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स है, सो व्हाट इज द आउट ऑफ फेज, दे विल बी आउट ऑफ फेज बाय 180 डिग्री. इट इज इनकमिंग करंट और आउटगोइंग करंट, सो दोनों का डायरेक्शन अपोजिट है, तो इट इज 180 डिग्री. सो इट इज ए, 11 का ए, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, ए आंसर इज करेक्ट, 180 डिग्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, हायर वैल्यू ऑफ E means, if the value of intensity is higher means it is higher, stronger electric field. Higher the value of E means stronger electric field, right? The relative permittivity of vacuum is measured. The relative permittivity of vacuum is 1. Sorry, it is 1. C answer is correct. Clear? 14th. Has no unit. Permittivity in free space. That is permittivity, relative permittivity. Yes, इसकी यूनिट है, इसकी यूनिट है, इसकी यूनिट है. Relative permittivity has no unit. 14 का, that is B answer is correct. Relative permittivity has no unit, right? Permittivity is also called as dielectric constant. Permittivity is also called as dielectric constant, right? Question number 16. Question number 16. For the capacitor in series remains same for all them. If the capacitors are in series, charges will be same. I think say yes. Question number 16 का C, charge. Yes, series में charges are same. If they are in parallel, so क्या same होगा? Voltages, right? Okay, charges are same. For the capacitors in parallel, yes, it is answer is voltage will be same. Parallel में voltage same रहता है, and series में charges or current will be same, right? Question number 18. Question number 18. At steady state capacitor act as steady state means what? Final condition of current. Agar you are charging or discharging the characteristics, we know this is the I. तो करंट कैसे होता है? Always current will be reduced to 0. Finally, at t equal to infinite, that is called a steady state condition. Clear? At t equal to infinite, that is called a steady state condition. What is the current? Equal to 0 ampere, right? ना 0 ना 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? ओपन सर्किट. Current 0 means open circuit. So at steady state capacitor act as open circuit. Okay. Nineteenth. Capacitor of 5 microfarad. Capacitor of 5 microfarad is charged to 500 volt and is discharged through R equal to 2 mega ohm. Then the value of discharging current after 5 seconds. Okay. So capacitor of 5 microfarad is charged to 500 volt and is discharged. This is a discharge circuit. So this is R and this is C. Clear? And you are discharging. This is 5 microfarad. Okay, and it is already charged है. कहाँ किस voltage पे charge है? It is charged up to 500 volt. Capacitor is already charged to 500 volt, right? And we are discharging through 2 mega ohm. We are discharging, so current will flow in this way. And what is the expression of current? Whether you are charging or discharging, current I equal to V by R, that is the initial current, e raised to minus t by tau. That is a formula. Current will be decreasing. So this is the expression of current I equal to V upon R e raised to minus t by tau. What is the tau? Tau equal to होता है C into R. Tau equal to C into R. 2 mega into 5 micro. So 2 into 10 raised to power 6 and 5 micro means 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So it is 2 into 5 plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled. It is 10 second. So tau equal to second. So what is the value of current at ये कितना है? फी कितना है? 500 वोल्ट ऑलरेडी चार्ज था अपॉन आर कितना है? 2 मेगा ओम. 2 into 10 raised to power plus 6 e raised to minus कितने सेकंड के बाद? 5 upon 10 t 5 10 minus 0.5 t equal to what? 5 second. Tau कितना है? 10 second. So 5 upon 10 is minus this. So use it. This is known I e raised to minus 0.5. If you do it, I'm using the calculator. Just wait. Yes, I'm getting 151 microampere. With the help of calculator, I am going to use 151. Yes, this is the answer. See, 151 microampere. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 20. Two capacitors of 2 and 8 microfarad are in series. So if they are in series and combination connected across 50 volt, okay, then the energy stored in 8 microfarad. So energy stored का formula, what is the formula for energy stored? 1 by 2 CV square, right? This is the formula. And two capacitors of what 2 microfarad and 8 microfarad are in series across the supply of 50 volt. So you can get, if they are in series, what is the Q number of charges? Q will be same, Q equal to CV. Okay, and C, what is the value of C? C equal to 2 into 8. If they are in series, C1 into C2 upon C1 plus C2. 2 into 8 upon 2 plus 8, 10. 16 upon 10, 1.6 microfarad. So you will get, that is a total equivalency. So Q equal to क्या आएगा? CV 1.6 into V कितना 50, 1.6 into 50, 1.6 into कितना आएगा? 1.6 into 50, that is 80 micro coulomb, right na? So you are getting C first, तो Q equal to CV 80 micro coulomb. तो Q मालूम है और C मालूम है, V नहीं मालूम इसके अक्रॉस. हमको पूछा है इसके अक्रॉस का एनर्जी स्टोर्ड बाई अक्रॉस 8 माइक्रोफेराड, राइट? तो एक तो आपको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा कि इसके अक्रॉस का वोल्टेज निकाल लो. ओके, V1 V2 से वो भी निकाल सकते हैं, नहीं तो इसको ही मॉडिफाई करते हैं. E इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 बाई 2. C मालूम है, V नहीं चाहिए. V इक्वल टू क्या होता है? Q इक्वल टू सी भी ना. तो V इक्वल टू क्या होगा? Q बाई सी. तो Q इज सेम, Q स्क्वायर बाई C स्क्वायर, राइट ना? Q इक्वल टू CV, तो V इक्वल टू क्या होगा? Q बाई C. So this C and this C will be cancelled. You will get formula 1 by 2 Q square upon C. This is the formula we have. You can use this formula or this formula. वैल्यू पुट करना है आपको. 1 by 2 Q कितना है? 80 into 10 raised to power minus 6, 80 माइक्रोकूलम इसका स्क्वायर अपॉन C कितना है? 8 माइक्रो. So if you solve it, just I am going to use the calculator. 20. Yes, I am getting 400 microjoule. Yes, this is the answer. See, 400 microjoule. Okay, so by using this way, you can get the answer. #21. 10 farad, 20 farad, 22 farad and 100 farad are connected in parallel. These capacitors are connected in parallel, and we know in parallel they will be added 100 plus 22 plus 20, 142 plus 10, 152 microfarad. That is the answer, right? 22. Of the following capacitors, which one has the highest dielectric constant? Highest dielectric constant. किसका सबसे ज्यादा कांस्टेंट है डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट? एयर का. एयर. ओके. ओके, relative permittivity is minimum. Next. #23. Series. the total capacitance is less than. Yes, if they are in series, right? If they are in series, what will happen? If they are in series, what will happen? The total capacitance किससे कम होने चाहिए? 2 से कम होने चाहिए ना? क्यों? It should be series में है, so it should be less than the minimum value. What is the minimum value? 10, 4 or 2? 2. So it should be less than 2, right? That is the answer. 2 farad. When the plate area of the capacitor increases, we know C equal to what? Epsilon 0, epsilon R, A by D. This is the formula. When the plate area of the capacitor increases, if you increase the area, what is the C? C will also be increased. Capacitance increase. Yes, that is the answer A. No need to read others. Capacitance will be unaffected, not possible. Value voltage it can withstand increase. I am not interested. I am interested here. Capacitor. अगर आपने D बढ़ाया तो C will decrease. Right? ER बढ़ाया तो C will increase. Like that. That is the answer. (25) An uncharged capacitor and a 1 kilo ohm resistor are connected in series with a switch and 6-volt battery. So please see here, this is the 6-volt battery and capacitors. This is the switch one, or this is the capacitor. ये 1 किलो ohm है. This is what? Capacitor is what? A uncharged capacitor. It is not given. Connected across 6-volt supply. At the instant the switch is closed. जैसे ही हम स्विच को क्लोज करते हैं, क्लियर, द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द कैपेसिटर क्या होगा? जब अनचार्ज है, एट द टाइम ऑफ स्विचिंग, वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कितना रहेगा? इसका अक्रॉस 0 ही रहेगा ना. It is uncharged condition. It is uncharged capacitor. We are going to close the switch. जैसे ही क्लोज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? That will be 0 volt. That is the answer is 0. D 25, right? Thank you very much. This is the answer sheets I have given. Please check it. Okay, and